Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to remove the factory radio in a MAZDA BT50 and in the generation 2017 right hand drive in Australia. It might be applied to other countries and even on the left side, just on the opposite way. Now this car is a 2012 model, and the tool to remove the factory radio here is quite very simple. Now you see it, we actually need to have the plastic trim remover too, and we need the screwdriver, and that's about it. To start with, we actually start with the bottom piece here. Just put your hands over here, two hands here and here, and then pull it out. Then you can pull it out, or otherwise you can put the plastic trim remover tool underneath and push it out, and it actually will come out straight away, because it's just the plastic and the lock. You can see it has 4 of the plastic lock here, one here, one there, and 2 at the bottom, and we just can leave it here or unplug it, no problem. Now for the top one, very easy. You put your hands underneath and push it out, or at the same time you can put the plastic trim remover tool underneath and check it and push it out, and this one will eventually come out straight away. And then put the plastic trim remover tool along the edge and lift it up, and it just come out. And after that, unclip the cable behind this one before you pull it further, because otherwise you might damage the cable here. Okay, so don't pull it too far. It's just the cable here, one of them only, one of it only. That's this cable. It is the radio control and the emergency button. And you can see how many clip at the back of this one. 1, 2, 3 on the top, 4, 5, so on the side, and another 4 at the bottom, 2 and 2 here. So it's just about plastic clip, and after that it looks like this on the top end. Okay, so just like that, easy to come out. And from here you will see 2 screws, one over here, one over here, which we already remove this one by screwdriver. And after that, just slide this one out and unplug the cable behind, which in this case has only one main big cable here and one radio antenna over here, the 2 of them. And that is this one, okay, and this is the main cable for this car. All right, so that's about the way to remove the original radio in this car. And if you want to see other video of this car, we're doing the job to fit the custom 10-inch into the car, just have a look at another video we have. Thanks for watching, and see you then.